Okay, I'm getting over a fear of mine with my background. I'm a videographer and I also run my content business, Creator Mode. And my background, which is normally over here, is beautiful. It's set up the way that I like, but the rest of the office is not beautiful. It's tiny. We live in this small apartment and I'm kind of telling on myself here because I've had this fear of people finding out that I don't live in this mansion and I don't have all the things because I'm still building the business. And I'm letting go of that insecurity, right? I'm sharing the office. We're taking off again in June. So there's boxes piled up back there. The whole thing of this is all messy. My desk has like tons of crap on it. And honestly, it like makes me upset. It's just messy, but it just continues to get that way. But when I film content or I'm on calls, you see the beautiful background. Everything over here is very nice, but everything over here is messy. And I can relate a lot with that in my personal life as well. Like maybe I'm really disciplined in one area, but I'm not in another. And that's been kind of myself this last year. I've been disciplined with growing my business, but what I let go of was my deeper spiritual practices that kept me balanced. So what I realized is that I was living in all of this fear and anxiety, growing my business and money going out and money coming in and client problems. And I came to a place where my automatic reaction was fear. And so I'm getting over that fear right now. I've dedicated myself back to my spirituality, finding that balance. And this messy office, I have to realize, has been the birthplace of something that will sustain us as we continue to travel again. We're taking back off in June, like I mentioned just a second ago. And throughout all the years of our travels, like 5 years of full-time traveling, taking old buses and turning them into beautiful RVs and tiny homes and driving all around the US, to selling those and moving internationally with our family, living in Costa Rica for a year and then going to Asia for about 6 months in 2024. That whole entire time, I was not able to fully be present and enjoy those moments because I always had this lingering fear, and it was financial fear. We externally were living this amazing life, but internally I was insecure. So what this beautiful external life became was just a beautiful anxiety. And that's no way to live. And so this tiny, messy office that honestly just straight pisses me off almost most days because it just tends to just stay messy. And I never want to show anybody what it looks like, right? I'll back up so you can see it more. I'm getting over that. It's fake. It doesn't matter. This little office and the fears that I have are what have pushed me to grow. But now I don't need to be controlled by those fears. The fears are what holding me back from the next step. So as a part of being authentic and believing authenticity is the true driver from person to person, connection to connection, I just had to tell myself, get over yourself, dude. And to be honest, filming this video right now with my messy office in the background, usually I have my beautiful studio space with all the lights and it looks really good on camera, but everything else that's not in the lens is messy. What I realized is that image that I always try to present to people of being all put together and stuff like that is fine, but very surface. There's no real connections that happen when I'm in that type of mentality or in that type of space. All of my best connections with people is because of I've opened up to them about something that is hard to share. It's hard to let someone see the crinks in my armor, but it's actually what has always given me strength and built those stronger connections. So I'm doing that with all of you right now. I'm still getting from this place of authenticity, letting go of fear, so I can progress to the next person, to that person who does at the end of this year live on a boat, sailboat with his family in the Caribbean, who has everything built, who has all these things, because just being real and honest, that's all that's required, and aligning my energy with that energy. So I hope you got something out of it. I'm just shedding my fears with you. But what's a fear that holds you back, prevents you from really connecting to yourself, and more importantly, with those around us? Because it does take people around us to show us who we can be. You know, I only see one version of myself. Other people around me are encouraging me to see who I can be. And I hope you have someone like that too. But it does take us getting real first with ourselves. Welcome to my messy office. I'm going to watch this video at the end of this year, and I know I'm going to look at this and be like, holy shit, I have come so far. This little messy office has allowed me to build so much in order for us to live the life that we were meant to be living. So I'm thankful.